Our vessel design tool lets you design pressure vessels, tanks and boilers, heat exchangers. It integrates with major process tools out there, Aspen, Tech, HTRI, ProSim, and then it lets you generate project deliverables in the form of drawings.
As was discussed previously, we need to replace the old and tired vessel with a larger, more efficient vessel. The vessel design software was used to create the new vessel, using the information from the point cloud model. This software extends information mobility across vessel manufacturer, engineering, procurement and construction contractor, and owner-operator workflows, improving engineering collaboration and supply chain efficiency. This results in reduced iterations and errors, and safer, higher quality, optimized designs for both greenfield and brownfield projects. It offers capabilities to design and analyze various different types of pressure vessels, shell and tube heat exchangers of all the different TEMA configurations, air coolers, chimneys, and tanks, as well as individual component designs, including anchor bases, beams, flanges, heads, saddles, shells, tube layouts, and more. It also has the capability to design all the common configurations of vessel supports, including skirts, rings, anchors, saddles, legs, brackets, and more. Apart from ASME Boiler and Pressure Vessel Code, Section 8, Divisions 1 and 2, the software also supports almost all major international pressure vessel design codes, including ADM, API 650, CODAP, EN, GOST, PD 5500, and WRC for local loads. The user interacts with the model as it's being built via the 2D and 3D models on the screen. Modifications, additions, and deletions of components can very easily be performed interactively. The 3D model can be rotated, zoomed, and the walls can even be made transparent, or the components can be hidden to provide better visibility. Here we have our IPL vessel model. When we look at the graphical user interface, we have the component list to the left, the analysis results area below it, the sketcher area, and the 3D rendering area to the right. This is a vertical vessel with some inlet and outlet nozzles. It has a manhole, and it's standing on 4 legs. The user can double-click on any component in the sketcher area to review or make changes to the component properties. When the design of the vessel is complete, a strength calculation can be run. When the analysis is complete, the results can be reviewed in the bottom left, and a detailed report for each component can be reviewed. And here's an example of a detailed report. Once satisfied with the design and analysis results, the user can create a bill of material, a cost estimation, and 2D and 3D drawings. AutoPIPE Vessel comes with an inbuilt bill of material and cost estimating tool. The cost estimation module is extensive and detailed and highly customizable to suit individual customers' operating costs and rates. Additional cost items and costing formulations can be added very easily. The manufacturing cost of the entire equipment can be performed with a thorough and rigorous approach, considering every single material and fabrication details and engineering costs, resulting in accurate cost estimation in a matter of seconds. The cost estimation is a very powerful tool for cost optimization of capital equipment. In this model, I'll create a bill of materials and a cost estimation. So I can open up the Estimate dialog box, and I can click on the Customizable File Management, which gives me a list of components and materials. On the Rate and Time tab, I can double-click on each item to modify the rate and the time associated with each material, product, and task based on the current project requirements. Once I'm done, I can then generate my bill of materials for this specific project. And this produces a component code list on the left and a list of the materials in my project on the right. And I can double-click on any item here to show some additional information about that component, and I can customize the unit price, the purchase cost, and the task subcontract cost for each component here. I can then save my bill of materials and move on to producing the cost estimation. To produce this, the vessel design software uses default material rates and the customizable files to associate a cost to each component. This may include material costs, labor costs, and tariffs. If I want to modify the rate for each material, I can do so by clicking on the default material rate. I can then generate my cost estimate. And this is going to create an Excel file with my cost estimation. The Excel file that's created has two tabs. On the Resume tab is a nice, neat cost estimate with our client name, a job tag, the currency, and more. The Nomenclature tab can be used to review the details of each item for the current project. Once the design is complete, the model can easily be converted into DXF and DWG files and can be opened in popular CAD tools. I can choose my CAD software and edit some drawing settings by clicking on File Preference. I can then create my drawings. So here I'm going to open my drawings from our project database. The first drawing I have is a settings and plan 2D drawing shown here. The second drawing is another 2D drawing, but it's a component detail drawing with details for each component. The third drawing created is a 3D drawing with my vessel configuration, and we can see that this matches the vessel in my program. Bentley's vessel design software is the only application to perform truly optimized vessel design in minutes. It creates fully detailed engineering drawings and cost estimations and enables fully automatic workflows to deliver greater productivity, safer designs, cost-effective manufacturing, and improved project collaboration.
Thank you, Jessica. Great demonstration. As you can see, we let you maximize the productivity of skilled engineering resources. We deliver codes that support you globally. So it's not just North American, it's not just European, but we deliver codes from all over the globe. We give you improved collaboration across distributed project teams. We let you move data back and forth. And most importantly, we give you the capability to output deliverables.